Align place values before adding 3D47 and 285.
The sky darkens over the great oak. A storm is moving in fast. For Hazel, finding shelter means hurrying deeper into the roots. To stay completely dry, she needs to navigate through 3 separate cache chambers before the rain catches up. Hazel reaches the first chamber. Inside, a flat stone waits, holding a mathematical record. Before we calculate, we have to set the structure. Align ones under ones, tens under tens, and hundreds under hundreds. Keeping these digits perfectly aligned in their proper columns is the non-negotiable rule that makes the standard algorithm work. We start on the right in the ones column. 7 plus 5 is 12. We write 2 ones at the bottom. Because 12 is more than 9, we regroup the remaining 10 ones as 110, placing it in the next column to the left. This is a direct physical exchange. 10 single units group together to form exactly 1 single unit in the next size up. Back at the stone, we move to the tens column. 4 tens plus 8 tens plus the regrouped 10 is 13 tens. Write 3 tens and regroup 10 tens as 100. In the hundreds column, 3 hundreds plus 2 hundreds plus the regrouped 100 is 6 hundreds. Exchanging 10 units from one column translates to exactly 1 unit in the next column, restructuring the number without changing its total value. Hazel runs to the second chamber. A different stone shows a subtraction problem, 614 minus 378. In the ones column, 4 ones are not enough to subtract 8 ones. We regroup 110 as 10 ones. The number now has 14 ones and 0 tens. 14 minus 8 is 6. Look at the tens column. 0 tens are not enough to subtract 7 tens. We resolve this by regrouping 100 as 10 tens. 5 hundreds remain. 10 tens minus 7 tens is 3 tens. In the hundreds column, 5 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is 2 hundreds. Subtraction regrouping simply runs the addition process in reverse, breaking larger units down instead of building them up. At the third chamber, Hazel pauses beside a long, flat root. The numbers are larger, but the structure holds firm. In the ones column, 8 plus 5 is 13. Write 3 ones and regroup 110. In the tens column, 6 plus 4 plus 1 is 11 tens. Write 110 and regroup 100. In the hundreds column, 5 plus 7 plus 1 is 13 hundreds. Write 3 hundreds and regroup 1000. In the thousands column, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4 thousands. The localized rules of vertical alignment and column-by-column regrouping apply exactly the same way, scaling smoothly across larger values. Align digits by place. Work from the ones column to the left. Regroup whenever 10 units in one place are exchanged for 1 unit in the next place. Mastering these mechanics transforms complex, multi-digit calculations into a reliable series of simple, highly predictable steps. The storm finally breaks, but beneath the oak, the foundation is secure.
Regroup the ones and tens to get 632.